In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get custom icons into your Power BI reports. By the end, you'll know exactly how to swap out default visuals with your own branded icons so your reports look polished, consistent, and on-brand. First, make sure you have your icon files ready on your computer. PNG and SVG work great, especially if they have a transparent background. A square canvas and a modest file size will help keep things crisp and responsive inside Power BI. With your report open, start by selecting the visual whose image you want to replace. This could be a button, a shape, or any visual element that supports an icon. Clicking it is important because it tells Power BI which element you want to format. Once the visual is selected, look over to the Visualizations pane on the right. The format settings for that specific element will appear there. These settings are context-aware, so you'll only see options that apply to what you've selected. Next, depending on the element you're customizing, find the Style section. Inside that section, look for the icon settings. If the section is collapsed, expand it so you can see everything available. This is where you control how the icon is displayed for the current visual. Enable the icon option. As soon as you toggle it on, a drop-down for icon type will appear. This drop-down lets you choose from built-in icons or specify your own. Click the icon type drop-down and select Custom. Selecting Custom tells Power BI that you'll be supplying your own image rather than using a default graphic. Now, you'll see a Browse option. Click Browse, navigate to the folder where your icon image is saved, and select the file you want to use. Power BI will import the image and apply it to the selected visual immediately so you can see how it looks in context. And there you go. That's all it takes to get a custom icon into your Power BI report. If the icon doesn't look quite right, consider trying a higher resolution PNG or an SVG for sharper edges, and make sure your icon's colors have enough contrast with the background. For consistency across your report, use a small set of matching icons and keep their sizes visually balanced. When you're satisfied, remember to save your report so your changes stick. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, practice the same process on other visuals to create a cohesive, professional look throughout your entire report.